Welcome to Thursdays at 3:30 mini oil class beadworking session. So today, the reason why I chose 3:30 as the time is that's because when my son is usually sleeping, my youngest son, my toddler, my hell on wheels boy, who today so things are like semi back to normal here in Wisconsin, as in some of the fast food restaurants are back open to indoor seating. Well, my son decided to run into the kitchen at Wendy's. And I'm laughing because, I mean, this has happened with my other kids before, but I'm laughing because nobody saw. Nobody saw. And he's so fast. I usually have him contained in my house or in my backyard fence, which, by the way, he also figured out how to open that. So we had to put like a wire lock on it. Anyways, he's fast. I did not realize how fast he was. Usually he's contained, and now that we're out in the public, I know how fast he is. Boom, he's back into that kitchen. And what's funny is every single worker who was back there was busy working. Every single person who was in the dining room was busy eating and like socializing. Nobody saw. I ran into the kitchen and I grabbed him, and I was looking around waiting for somebody to like point at me and laugh, but nobody saw. So, I mean, oh, he's just so fast. Anyways, what am I beading today? I'm working on a new project. So this is going to be a men's set. Now that I'm holding this up, is this going to be too big? This might have to be the medallion. Okay, so my original plan was to have this be the, I can't think of what it's called, headband and head medallion, but I think now that I'm holding this up to my head, I should have done this when I was measuring it, right? Speaking of measuring, I am not a geometric design, like beadwork design person. Am I saying that correctly? Geometric designs are not my thing. This is hard for me, but I don't want to be like only able to do one thing. I don't want to be only the floral beadworker. I want to be able to do geometric designs and other types of beadwork. So I am getting out of my comfort zone, and I'm doing a geometric design, which means I had to measure things and use a ruler and one of those cool tools. I can't remember the name of it, but you draw a circle, like the pencil's on the one end, and you're like, but that was fun to use. Protractor, right? Protractor. Correct me if I'm wrong. Haven't used one of those since like elementary school. I also used a cup to draw the initial circle, and then I got smart and I said, hey, I have a protractor. I'm going to use that. So hopefully I will get some progress on this. I'm going to bead just this and see if I like it or not. If I don't love it, then I will probably scrap this beading a whole men's set in that, because then I will just drag my feet when working on it. You know what I'm saying? If I don't enjoy what I'm working on, I will just drag my feet. Okay. Oils I want to talk about today. There's a few. So camping season is upon us. My family, we just got a pop-up camper, and we are excited to take some road trips. And I'm also going to be packing like an oils first aid kit. And I want to tell you the 4 things that are going to be staples. Like, I'm probably going to pack quite a few more oils than just 4, but for beginners, oilless, is oilless a word? Let's make that a word. Beginner oilless. My son's iPad is distracting me so bad, but I'm going to keep going. I should stop and re-record, but I'm not. So 4 things. The first thing is a blend, and I've talked about this before. So this is the Allergy blend, lemon, lavender, and peppermint. This is allergies to like multiple types of allergies, pollen, bug bites. If your child or yourself gets a mosquito bite, you can rub this directly on the bite and it takes away the swelling and it takes away the itch. And this is a lifesaver for my son who is allergic to mosquitoes. So his mosquito bites will welt up to like lime and lemon size and then get a skin infection. This stops that process. So I feel safe, I feel comfortable going on a road trip far away where I won't need to take him into urgent care. What's next? Okay, tea tree is next. So this is another staple that you're gonna want in your, my son's iPad is not working, so I'm gonna have to wait for him to come over, but I'm not gonna start this video over. So tea tree is an antiseptic. This is going really well. Tea tree is an antiseptic. If you get a cut, if you get any type of little skin irritation injury, slivers, you're gonna wanna put tea tree on it and it's gonna act like an antiseptic. It's gonna keep it clean. It's gonna kill all the yuckies that are in there, like bacteria and the yuckies, the germs. So tea tree, the Allergy blend, Digest Zen is another one that I'm gonna wanna bring on these road trips because 3 out of 5 of us get car sick. So I will take Digest Zen and just rub it right on my tummy if I'm feeling car sick and it takes it away. So my oldest son, he also gets pretty severely car sick. We will do the same thing, rub it on his tummy and it goes away. We're planning on watching movies in the car, so I'm assuming that we're gonna have some car sickness happening with that. Can anyone else not read in the car? Like, I can't, it's a bummer, man. I cannot look at my phone when I'm in the car. I have to look out the window. Boring. Just kidding. I wish I could look at my phone in the car, but I can't. Maybe that's a blessing in disguise. So the last oil that is a staple in my camping first aid kit is lavender. So lavender is soothing and calming, soothing to the mind. So think calm down at the end of the night and sleep, soothing to sunburn. So we plan to be out in the sun quite a bit. All of us burn. I am super pale in the winter and then I get super tan in the summer, but I always burn initially. Lavender will help soothe the sunburn. With kids, you're gonna want to dilute it with like a carrier oil, like fractionated coconut oil or jojoba oil. Okay, my son is coming over here. So I think I'm gonna cut this short. Let me just go over these again. So tea tree, antiseptic, lemon, lavender, peppermint, the Allergy blend, Digest Zen. This is going to be your car sickness blend. And lavender, all things calm. All right, I am going to continue beading later on tonight after he's in bed. I hope you guys are having a good day. And again, I sell doTERRA oils. So if you would like to talk to me about getting started in oils, DM me, drop me a comment, and I will be in touch with you. Have a good day. Talk to you later.